This question here shows another PSLE word problem. As you can see, the triangles in figure 1 shows an isosceles triangle where AB is equals to BC. Some of these triangles were placed in the rectangle in figure 2. There are a total of 24 pins which are used to pin up all the triangles. What is the length of XY? So step 1, we have to take note the number of pins on the sides, okay, to avoid calculation complexity, because the pins at the edges students usually are confused as they have to calculate twice. So we take the center 2 first, as I have circled. So 24 minus 2 will give you the 2 lengths. Please take note 20 is the number of pins which covers the 2 lengths. So XY, the number of pins will therefore be 20 divided by 2 is equals to 10 pins for step 2. So we shall proceed on to step 3. So as the number of triangles is 1 less than the number of pins, so the number of triangles on XY will therefore be 10 minus 1 will give you 9 triangles. So to find out the length, will therefore take the length of 9 triangles. So it will be 9 times 40, and this will give 360 cm. So the length of XY of the triangle of the rectangle is 360 cm. So this is how we solve the first part of the problem sum. Now let us proceed to part B of the question. Part B is asking, what is the area covered by all the triangles? Looking at the diagram again, we know that the width is covered with 3 triangles. Why? It is because we have to take, like what step 2 is written, number of triangles, the number of pins minus 1. So as we can see, 4 pins, so number of triangles will therefore be 4 minus 1 is equals to 3 triangles. So let us go back to step 1, whereby the number of triangles on the first part, as we know, 10 pins. So if we find the number of triangles will therefore be 10 minus 1 is 9. There are 9 triangles at sides XY. So after step 1 and step 2, as we know that the rectangle has 2 length and 2 width, so we must add both sides, both the groups of the length and the width up. So as there are 2 groups, we must take 9 plus 3 times 2. So it gives us 24 triangles. So as we proceed to step 4, okay, as they're asking for the area of triangles, so as there are 24, so the area of the triangles will therefore be half times 20 times 40, as you can see from figure 1. So the area of the triangles will therefore be half times 20 times 40 times the 24. It will therefore give us 9,600 cm squared. Did you all manage to get this answer? This is how the word problem here is being solved in the PSLE. Thank you.